come Halloween, we can use all of these pieces again.
My gosh, you're so right.
Come Valentine's Day, we can build so many hearts.
Hey everyone, I'm Kate.
Hi, I'm also Kate.
And today we are going to be building our holiday foil bags. So since plusplus is only one shape, we can use whatever colors we want. We can throw the rules out the window. We can, we can write our own story. That's one of the best things about plusplus and just creative expression. We can write our own story. We don't have to fit the mold. We don't have to use red and white for Santa. We don't have to use green and yellow for an elf. We're gonna use northern lights and we're gonna put some glow up in here. So the first thing we're gonna do is take out our instruction booklet. We won't need that today. And we're gonna pour out our pieces. Now this is a really fun mix because it has our glow in the dark pieces in it, and I think I'm gonna make a really awesome Santa hat. Do you wanna find your foil bag?
It's right here.
All right, so we're gonna open these up. So I have the puzzle mat for the Santa hat.
And I have the one for the present.
And I think I'm gonna make a little glow, maybe flamingo combo on here. But you follow the numbers to the colors there, but I'm gonna freestyle it, just do it however I like. And then I'm also gonna add a little loop at the top to make it an ornament.
I'm going to do a little bit of corn flour.
Ooh.
And then maybe some mint.
I think I'm gonna use glitter purple for the bottom here. I really love glitter purple. It gives me like New Year's vibes too with the confetti.
Do a little flamingo while I'm at it.
Ooh, that's a good combination.
I'm getting crazy.
I am going to incorporate glitter purple. I think it's very festive and fun. It makes me think of celebrations. It makes me think of countdowns. It makes me think of so many things.
Wow, you think a lot, Kate.
I know. I'm gonna do a line.
I really like that you can utilize these pieces for so many different things because this can now be a birthday present.
Yes, it definitely can. And also, the best thing about these flat puzzles too is if, even on a smaller scale, you can use it as a coaster. I love using it as a coaster at home. I'm adding a little bit of flamingo, and flamingo like just has this pop. As Kate said before, that can be a birthday present, and now this can be a little striped cap.
It's a little beanie.
It's a little fun time beanie. And then I'm gonna match the little pom-pom at the top with the glitter purple that's at the bottom here, keeping the Santa hat tradition alive.
Wow, Kate, you're so fast and quick. I just can't even catch up.
It's what happens when you do this for a living.
How many hours do you think that you've spent building plusplus?
Well over 10,000. That's how I mastered it.
That is crazy.
But this is my hat so far. I love it. I think it's super cute. And this would be super fun to have on a tree too because it glows in the dark and it'll lead Santa to it.
I heard he has to wear glasses because he can't see very well. So
What?
This will be very helpful.
Yeah, that will be nice.
While Kate is building that, here's my finished birthday present.
That's awesome.
Fun Christmas wrapped present.
Yeah, I love that.
Fun, colorful Christmas wrapping paper wrapped present.
I love that really long name. I think it really solidifies the meaning of Christmas.
And if you have a little brother or sister and they also want to play, you can reuse this mat, give it to them, and then they can create their own birthday present or Christmas present.
That looks awesome. Let's see.
Wonder if we can hang it on this one. Well,
that works. That works. So I made a small loop from this one because it kind of has a skinny little top. However, you can add a bigger loop to other ones. So we have our really fun holiday builds, and Kate has showed how to put a little ribbon in there to get a nice ornament. Love it. Christmas is past, the tree is coming down. You can put those other ornaments in storage. However, you don't have to put this in storage. You know what you can do with it?
what, Kate?
You can take it apart and you can make something new. And you can make something that isn't Christmassy. You can make something that's fun for all seasons. Kate is gonna do a cactus because you don't normally find cacti near the Northern Lights.
No.
So we've got to see a little bit about what that's all about. I think I'm gonna do a goose or some type of bird because I'm just feeling very bird-like.
Yeah, for sure. I think I am. I'm gonna attempt.
Let me know if you need help.
I will.
Because that's what friends are for.
Oh,
so cute. All right, I'm gonna make a This is gonna be kind of funny and silly. I'm gonna make a flamingo, the color goose. So it's not a flamingo, it's a goose, but it's made out of the color flamingo.
I'm currently using Glow from the Northern Lights mix.
Ooh.
Glitter purple?
Yeah, that could be a fun little surprise.
I don't see cacti's glitter on them.
No, you
Most of
really
the time
don't.
They're too prickly.
I am going to continue on my little goose friend. I think I might run out of flamingo, however, that won't stop me.
As it shouldn't, Kate.
Yeah.
If at first you don't succeed,
Try again. Don't get more plus and try again. And that's the moral of the story.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. You're doing well. You got all the patterns right.
Thank you.
It's sitting well with me. It's sitting well with me.
Thank you, Kate. I really appreciate your help and commentary.
Of course.
Words of encouragement. You know, it's the time of year where you just have to encourage.
You do. You have to encourage those around you, and you just have to bring cheer. I think that's the biggest thing, is bringing cheer.
Absolutely, Kate. You were so right.
I've got like a little goosey goose going on here. I think
A little silly goose?
Yeah, he's silly. I'd say he's pretty silly. I think I am going to add one more piece here, and then I'm going to attach his head onto his body. So that's something that's fun with plus too, is just like problem solving. I find it pretty fun. If I'm stuck, it takes me a while to figure it out, but it's that much more rewarding. My goose! He looks a little whack, but that's what makes him quack.
Here is my cactus.
And the reason I took my flamingo goose apart is because I was helping a friend, because Kate needed some flamingo pieces, and it just felt like it was like the season of giving. So
Sacrifice the goose.
yeah, I sacrificed the goose, not in a bad way, but in a really fun way.
It's so fun to build with you, Kate.
Yeah, it's awesome. And I have all these pieces now. That's good. That's good. Oh. Today we learned that you don't have to use traditional holiday colors to build with plus plus. If you want to build something Christmassy, you can still build something Christmassy, but you can use fun colors. Today I learned the power of friendship because I took my goose apart to give Kate some little decorations for her cactus.
I learned the same lesson because you gave me the pieces from your sacrificed goose.
That's a pretty good one.
Flamoose, one would say.
Flamoose, yes, I like that. And we also learned that you can build plus holiday decorations with any colors that you want.
And we learned how to hang an ornament.
Yes, look at that.
Ornament.
That's not coming off anytime soon.
Come Halloween, we can use all of these pieces again.
My gosh, you're so right.
Come Valentine's Day, we can build so many hearts. I'm Kate.
And I'm also Kate.
Thank you so much for playing with us.
Snowing and blowing and birds of fun. Oh.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle the way.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Get them jingle bells.
What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.